A man walks into a hospital and receives a bill of 8 lakh rupees. But he's not worried because he has health insurance of 10 lakh. Full coverage, he thinks, काम हो जाएगा. 2 weeks later, the claim is settled and the insurance company pays 4 lakh rupees. The other 4 lakh, he pays from his own pocket. And here's the part that should make you angry. In the official data, this is not a failure. This claim goes down as settled, a success, a win for the system. Nothing illegal happened. Every rupee that wasn't paid was hidden in plain sight. Inside the policy he signed. So today we're doing an autopsy. We open up this exact claim and find the 6 places where 4 lakh rupees quietly disappeared. Because once you can see them, no policy can ever do this to you again. I'm not going to hand you a list of top 10 plans. Those change every year and honestly, they don't help you. Instead, I'll show you how to read any policy the way an insurer reads it. So you can compare plans in minutes, not months. Because here's how most people buy health insurance. They check 3 things: the premium, the cover, amount, and the brand name. Bas, 3 cheezein dekhi, policy le li. But the 4 lakh in our story didn't disappear because of any of those 3. It disappeared in the fine print nobody reads. So stay with me because clue number 4 is the single most expensive line in Indian health insurance. And almost nobody checks it before buying. 3 public numbers, 1 honest picture of the company. Let's start simple. Before we blame the policy, we check the company. Did this insurer have a bad track record of paying? So we pull up the one number everyone quotes: the claim settlement ratio. If an insurer receives 100 claims and settles 94, the CSR is 94%. Sounds like a company you can trust, right? And here's the trap most videos will never tell you. CSR counts how many claims were settled. It says nothing about how much money was actually paid on them. It's a head count, not a rupee count. Let's get back to our man. He got 4 lakh out of 8. His claim was settled. So in the CSR data, he is one of the happy 94. Yahi to problem hai. The number that's supposed to protect you already counted him as a win. So CSR is the starting filter, not a verdict. You add 2 more checks that actually reveal the experience. The first is settlement speed. How fast does the insurer pay? Because a company can pay you eventually, and a delayed claim during a medical emergency is its own kind of rejection. And you don't have to take any brand's word for it. This data is public. In its annual report, IRDAI makes every insurer disclose how many claims they settled within 3 months, within a year, or later. To give you a sense, several standalone health insurers now settle 100% of claims within 3 months, while some large public sector insurers sit around 91 to 95%. Same settled claim, very different weight. The second check is complaints. Think about how you shop for everything else online. कोई भी चीज लेने से पहले हम reviews तो जरूर पढ़ते हैं. You scroll the 1-star reviews before you buy. IRDAI runs exactly that, but for insurers, a public grievance portal called Bima Bharosa. Last year alone, it logged over 2.5 lakh complaints and claims are a big chunk of them. So CSR asks, do they pay? Settlement speed asks, how fast? And complaints ask, how painful is it actually get paid? 3 public numbers, 1 honest picture of the company. So we run our insurer through all 3. And here's the twist in the case. On paper, the company was fine. Decent CSR, reasonable speed. If the company wasn't the villain, the trap must be inside the policy itself. Let's open it up. This is where the 4 lakh actually went. 3 clauses. Watch them rerun our man's claim in real time and watch the counter. Clue number 4, room rent capping. Your policy quietly says, we'll only pay you up to, say, 5,000 rupees a day for your hospital room. You think, fine, if I pick a 10,000 room, I'll just pay the extra 5,000 myself. Wrong. The old danger was proportionate deduction. Pick a room above your limit and the insurer scales down your entire bill in the same proportion. Double the room and they could half the surgery, the ICU, the medicines, everything. Now, an honest update. Because we won't scare you with outdated rules. Since the 2024 IRDAI Master Circular, this proportionate deduction can apply only to the room rent line itself, not to your surgery, ICU or medicines. A genuine win. Lekin, the catch? Room rent limits are still completely legal. They still sit in cheaper plans and on an older policy like our patients. The whole bill version still bites. And that's exactly what happened to him. His room was double the cap, his policy was a legacy one, and that single clause knocked 1.5 lakh off his claim. The fix is one line. Look for no room rent capping or a single private AC room with no sublimit. Ek line, lakhon ka fark. Clue number 5, the one that actually took down our patient. Disease-wise, sublimits. Definition first, because this one's sneaky. A sublimit is a smaller cap hidden inside your big cover, a ceiling on what the policy will pay for one specific treatment, no matter how large your total sum insured is. So you have a 10 lakh policy, big, comforting number on the front page, but buried in a small table inside. Cataract capped at 40,000, knee replacement capped, a cardiac procedure capped, and no more. The big number on page 1 is not the number that shows up when you claim. For our man, the sublimit on his procedure left another 1.5 lakh of a genuine medically necessary bill simply uncovered. The cover was real, the usable cover was capped. और ये बात brochure में कभी नहीं लिखी होती. The fix? Buy a policy that clearly states no disease-wise sublimits in the wording, not the brochure. Open the policy PDF, find the limits table. Yes, it's 40 boring pages. And this one table can save you lakhs. Clue number 6, copay. On every single claim, you pay a fixed percentage from your pocket. A 20% copay means on whatever is left, 1 rupee in 5 is always yours. People accept copay because it lowers the premium. Fair enough, if you chose it knowingly. The dangerous version is the one you didn't notice. Zone-based copay, which switches on the moment you treat it in a bigger city. And in a real emergency, you don't pick the hospital, the situation does. For our patient, copay took the final 1 lakh. So let's add it up. An 8 lakh bill, room rent capping took 1.5, a hidden sublimit took another 1.5, copay took 1. That's 4 lakh gone. Not stolen, not rejected, just written into a policy he signed without reading. Same insurer, same illness, same 8 lakh bill. A policy without those 3 clauses would have paid almost all of it. That's the whole game. Company nahi, wording. It was never about the company, it was always the wording. 2 last clues. What happens after your first hospitalization and before your policy is even fully active? First, restoration benefit. Say your 10 lakh cover is used up in January. In March, someone else in the family is hospitalized. Without restoration, you are out of cover for the rest of the year. Restoration refills your sum insured after it's exhausted. Think backup battery, but read when it kicks in. The good ones refill early, some trigger only after you've burned through everything else. Second, waiting periods. Insurance doesn't cover everything from day one. Roughly a 30-day initial wait for general illness, a couple of years for certain specific conditions, and the longest for pre-existing diseases. Diabetes, BP, thyroid. Good news most people missed. Since 2024, the maximum pre-existing disease waiting period is cut from 4 years to 3, and the moratorium, the point after which an insurer can't deny a claim for non-disclosure, from 8 years to 5. Which brings us to the single smartest thing you can do. And it costs you nothing extra. Buy your health cover while you're young and healthy. Here's why it quietly wins. When you're young, the premium is at its lowest and it locks in cheaper for years. You have no pre-existing conditions to sit through a waiting period for. And every year you stay covered, you're ticking down those 3.5-year clocks. So by the time you actually need a big claim, every waiting period is already behind you. Jitni jaldi, utna fayda. And a partner to buying early is disclosing everything. Declare every condition, every medication honestly at the time of buying. Hiding a pre-existing illness to shave a little premium is the fastest way to have a genuine claim rejected later. Chupaoge to fasoge. If in doubt, disclose it. The moratorium rule we just mentioned only protects people who did. And when you're comparing, this is where the 6 clues become one simple test. As an example, a plan built the clean way, like Accos Platinum, is designed without the traps we just dissected. No room rent capping, no disease-wise sublimits, no copay, and restoration that refills your cover. You don't have to take our word for it, take the checklist. Whatever brand you're looking at, hold it up against these 6 lines and let the wording answer. So here's the autopsy turned into a 60-second check you can run on any policy before you pay. 1. The insurer. Don't stop at CSR. Check settlement speed and complaints too, all public on IRDAI. 2. No room rent capping. 3. No disease-wise sublimits. 4. Zero or low copay. 5. Restoration benefit and read its trigger. 6. The shortest waiting period you can get. Bought young with full disclosure. And I don't want you to just remember this, I want you to use it. So we have put all 6 checks into a free 1-page sheet where you can score up to 3 policies side by side and see which one actually holds up. It's linked in the description and pinned in the comments. Download karo, apni policy ko test karo. One bonus signal for the finance nerds. The incurred claim ratio. For every 100 rupees an insurer collects, how much flows back out as claims? Experts treat 70 to 90% as a healthy band. But read it as context, not a verdict. A young, fast-growing insurer with a healthier customer base can sit lower and still pay every fair claim. एक नंबर से पूरा सच नहीं मिलता. Here's the truth this whole autopsy points to. A 10 lakh policy with bad wording can protect you less than a 7 lakh policy with clean terms. The cover amount is the headline, the wording is the contract. And in an emergency, only one of them pays. Health insurance isn't an expense you minimize. It's protection you get right once, calmly, today while you're young and well, so that on the worst day of your life, you're thinking about your family, not a fine print table. So before you renew, before you buy, open the policy, run the 6 checks and score it on that sheet. And this saved you even one hidden clause. Subscribe because we do this for every kind of insurance you'll actually have to buy. Health, car, bike and term life. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.